Okay, so this is where I'm going to give you step-by-step directions on how to upgrade your MICROBIT firmware. This is going to make it that it allows Bluetooth. So first thing you need to do is plug it into the computer with your USB and check which firmware it's on. Most of you will not have updated ones. So you plug it into the computer, open the Files app when that little pop-up comes up, and in your details, you're going to see which interface version. This one is on 0241. That is not the most updated version, so I'm going to want to update it. So I'm going back to where it says firmware, and there's the directions on how to update your firmware. Now, you need to disconnect it from the computer. So I'm taking out the USB. Okay, so on the back of your MICROBIT, when you unplug it, this is the back side. There are the connectors. And then in the middle of the two connectors, there is a button. This is a reset button that puts it into maintenance mode. So you're going to want to use this button to do the firmware upgrade. So what it wants you to do is press and hold this button. While you're pressing the button, you plug it back into your computer. Okay, so it goes into maintenance mode. We click Open Files. And now when you see your MICROBIT up here on the left side, you will see it in maintenance mode, which is exactly what we want to see. We're going to download the firmware from MICROBIT version 1. Please remember, in my class, we only have version 1 MICROBITs. So again, I click Show in Folder, and now I'm just going to grab the firmware update right into that maintenance drive. So click and drag. You see how it has that red circle? That red circle means you're not there. You need a little green plus to show that it's in the right place. Okay, so you'll just click and drag and get it there. Make sure it has that green plus. If you see a red circle there, that means you're not in the right place and you're not putting it in. You'll get a notification once it is done that the MICROBIT file is uploaded to your MICROBIT. After that, I'm going to unplug my MICROBIT. And remember, it says removable device detected because it actually does a reboot. So I wait for that before I unplug, and then I plug it back in. And this time when I plug it in and I go to my MICROBIT, once it pops up and open the text file, I should see the newest version. So here we go. Here's my MICROBIT. And here's the details file. And now when I open the details file, you'll see the interface version is moved up to 49. So I have successfully updated my MICROBIT. I hope this helps.